Hey guys, it's Gino. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Play-Doh-y slime. It's more like a butter slime. It's really fun to play with, and it's really easy, and it's only 2 ingredients. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. You're needing a bowl, 2 spoons, any dish soap you want. It's optional. Well, it's not optional, but any soap. You need flour, and now you're going to want to pour your dish soap into your bowl. I only had a little bit left, so. Now that I have it, I'm going to take a spoonful of flour and then mix it. It's going to come out into like this really powdery, it's not going to mix together at all. So what you have to do, you're going to have to start mixing with your hands once you like what you have. So as you can see, it's not really coming together, but I have to start using my hands. That's how it starts turning out once you mix it all together. And trust me, there's way more in the bowl than that. And there's a mess. It's totally a mess, but it's easy to clean up. So this is how it turns out. You just have to keep like putting, you can add water, but I don't like to. This is what it turns out to be. So you have to just keep playing with it, then it gets less sticky. Kind of like a slime, so it's butter slime. See? So, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!